Hi, I'm Katie and this is Helen and we're both from Almased, and today we'll just be talking to you about what Almased is, how to use it and general benefits of the product. So now we're going to demonstrate how to make the original Almased Classic. You can either make it with water or low-fat milk, but today we're going to show you how to make it with water. So you can either use between 200 and 350 ml of water or 200 ml of a low-fat milk. So Helen's just added 5 heaped tablespoons of Almased powder, and now she's going to add 2 teaspoons of an essential fatty acid. So basically we recommend either olive oil, rapeseed, walnut or flaxseed. So the reason why we say to include the oils, not only because of the absorption of vitamins and minerals within the powder, but it also helps to provide you with the essential fats that our body needs. Helen's just added some cinnamon, but you could put in extracts such as almond, vanilla and sweetened cocoa powder. That's the recipe for our original shake, and it's about 230 calories. And also there's the instructions in every can of Almased, so you know exactly how to make it up.